Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about a natural and effective face pack that you can make at home using simple two ingredients, aloe vera gel and masoor dal. Soak the masoor dal in water for 4 to 5 hours or overnight. Drain the masoor dal and grind it into a smooth paste. This face pack is a great way to brighten and rejuvenate your skin. Masoor dal is a type of latent that is rich in antioxidants and vitamins, while aloe vera gel has anti-inflammatory and soothing properties. Together, this ingredient can help to improve your skin texture, reduce the appearance of wrinkles, and even out your skin tone. Take out this masoor dal paste in another bowl and add aloe vera gel. For an extra brightening effect, you can add a tablespoon of lemon juice to the face pack, or if you have oily skin, you can add a tablespoon of honey to the face pack, or if you have a dry skin, you can add a tablespoon of yogurt to the face pack. Mix it well and make a smooth paste. Benefit of this masoor dal and aloe vera gel face pack is brighten and even tone our skin, reduce the appearance of wrinkle and fine lines, exfoliate dead skin cells, moisturize and hydrate the skin, soothe and calm irritated skin, reduce inflammation. But if you have sensitive skin, you can omit the lemon juice. Apply the face pack to your skin and leave the face pack on for 15 to 20 minutes or until it is dry. Then wash it off with the normal water and see the difference. Make skin smooth and clear. That's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more DIY beauty tips. Thanks for watching.